Are you looking for the best bandsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bandsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Bosch Bare Tool BSH180B Lithium-Ion Compact Bandsaw. Is your working space too tight? You should similarly choose a saw that is compact enough to fit the cramped-up spaces. This is the one we ask that you place your bet on to enjoy those associated benefits. We have already highlighted that the saw is compact in size. As a matter of fact, this saw is up to 60% lighter and up to 40% more compact than those ordinary deep-cut saws. Its base comes in the form of rugged aluminum material. For this reason, it is lighter and more portable on the whole. With this stature, the saw has the ability to stand to the tough job site conditions you will confront from time to time. Setting this saw apart from the others is the electronic cell protection feature. With this feature, your battery will be able to stay safe from the risks of overloading, overheating, and deep discharge. At number 4, Rockwell BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw RK7323. The typical cutting chore requires many kinds of maneuvers and operations. To save yourself some time and space, you need to choose a saw that has the ability to handle many kinds of cutting operations. This is a good one to start with since it can tackle inside cuts, miter, scrolls, and rips. Compared to the many other kinds of saws, this one is pretty faster. Its speed without any load comes to about 3,000 strokes per minute. Thanks to this arrangement, you will truly be able to enjoy faster cutting outcomes. With the hold-down splitter and guard, you will be capable of cutting wider materials with relative ease. In this way, you will be able to do more within a shorter duration of time. Its rip fence is larger than those of many kinds of bandsaws. By virtue of the larger rip fence, you will be able to enjoy better controls, which definitely results in better controls and more accurate cuts. At number 3, Swag V3.0 Portaband Table. Of all the saws we have under our radar, it is this that is the most durable. It is also tough and reliable enough owing to its 18 pounds of weight. Try it for those strenuous jobs. In its entirety, the saw features a thick steel plate that measures 3/16 of an inch. It is this one that delivers the cutting power and actions necessary to set your materials and other substances apart. You will also get to enjoy plenty of cutting areas. That is because the saw, when installed, stretches out to 22 inches tall, 18 inches deep, and 13.5 inches wide. You will not have to put in too much effort to obtain the desired ends, hence. The saw comes about as a comprehensive kit. As part of its packaging, the kit comprises all the hardware components you need to achieve the cutting outcomes of your choice and expectations. At number 2, Bosch GCB 10-5 Deep Cut Bandsaw. Intending to handle professional jobs? We invite you to try this saw out. That is because it delivers awesome power which is able to cut through those materials that are ordinarily too tough. You will be able to enjoy some deep cutting outcomes using this bandsaw. The feat is mainly achievable by the fact that the appliance incisors up to around 4 3/4 of an inch of depth per pass. All factors considered, this saw is compact and light in weight. This stems from its 14.5 pounds of weight. You will subsequently find it useful for handling those tough overhead materials with relative ease. As a last benefit, you will also be able to vary the speeds of your cutting appropriately. With this kind of variance, you will be able to match the cutting speed with the kind of material you have in mind. At number 1, Makita XBP02Z Cordless Portable Bandsaw. Want to cut many kinds of metallic materials? Without wasting much of your time, this indeed is the bandsaw to look up to. This saw is indeed versatile enough to cut many metals and undertake many cutting styles. At its core is the Makita built motor. This one generates awesome cutting power which also translates into faster cutting speeds. In this way, the machine is able to cut through many kinds of materials and substances. A thick protective rubber bumper also exists in this bandsaw. The bumper basically plays the role of adding stability to your cutting. It dampens vibrations and slows down the likelihood of fidgeting to do this. To operationalize the machine, you will make do with a trigger switch. Unlike other switches, this one comprises a lock-off feature that requires 2 actions to power it on. These prevent accidental switching, which is obviously detrimental to your health. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.